Hey everybody, it's Greg from Guardian RFID. Today we're going to talk about something I know a little bit about, training. A lot of times we get questions on the Guardian RFID website about what exactly is shadowing and go live. Well, after we conduct the classroom portion of your facility's training, we do a couple of days of go live or shadowing. And that ensures that I or one of the members of our training team will follow your staff around. We call that right at the elbow work. We're going to follow around, make sure you're knowing how you're doing your checks using the system, watch what your daily operations are, ensuring that our system assists, not conflicts, with what you're doing on a regular basis. We don't want to make anybody's job harder. We want to make you more efficient. So walking the walk with you, being right there, boots on the ground, during those couple of days, during those shifts, to ensure staff understands how to use it, everything's working the way it should, and being in the trenches with your staff will give us a more comprehensive view of how your staff operates and whether our system has met the needs that we've promised to you. Because in essence, we don't succeed in this system unless you succeed in this system, because it's a team effort. So with Classroom, Go Live, which is working with administration and making sure everything's happy, and shadowing, working with the frontline staff, that three-part attack will ensure a smooth, happy, and successful transition into the Guardian RFID family. Hey, thanks for watching, everybody. If you have any other questions, feel free to reach out to us at support@guardianrfid.com. And as always, get your team home safe.